And now to tonight's big story. All eyes are on the Supreme Court right now. Justices met for the first time today since that draft opinion leak suggesting they are likely to overturn Roe v. Wade. That draft is far from being the official ruling, but abortion rights advocates are saying all signs point to the undoing of 50 years of precedent. One of the top debates about abortion rights results from cases where a woman has been sexually assaulted. Tonight, our Emily Longnecker sat down with a woman who has been in those shoes. She shares her story about the decision that she made.
I had an abortion in 2017. I was 22.
She wants to tell her story, but doesn't want you to see her face or know her name. Not because she's ashamed of the abortion she had when she was in college.
I don't carry that shame or guilt.
But because this now 26-year-old wants to protect the people she loves from being judged for the choice she made 5 years ago.
It's important for me because there is a societal shame and guilt attached to someone who receives an abortion.
But that's not what this woman carries when she thinks about having an abortion. Instead, it's a picture of herself at the time, already a single mother to a toddler, about to graduate college with plans for graduate school.
I'm sitting on my couch and across from me is my GRE book. And I'm, contemplating a decision that would change the course of my future.
A decision that came when she found out she was pregnant just 3 weeks after non-consensual sex with a man she'd been seeing.
It was an immediate pit in my stomach. It was an immediate feeling of disgust. This person that I thought I had trusted just betrayed my trust, just betrayed my wishes.
Her wishes were for her partner to wear a condom for protection against pregnancy and STDs. She says it started out that way.
At some point, the condom was removed, intentionally removed by him. And at that point, it became non-consensual sex for me.
She says she didn't report what happened to police because back then, Indiana didn't define consent in its laws about rape like it does now.
It's hard to come to the courts and say, he took the condom off, this is rape, and get the support and the protection that somebody needs in that.
What happened to this Fort Wayne native, according to the CDC, will happen to 3 million women in the United States during their lifetime, women who will get pregnant after being raped. A 2017 survey of intimate partner and sexual violence found that in 77% of those rape-related pregnancies, the woman was raped by a current or former partner.
Those same women, according to the survey, were significantly more likely to have experienced reproductive coercion or birth control sabotage compared to women who were raped by an intimate partner but didn't become pregnant.
That's horrible numbers. To think that anybody can see that and think, well, if the outcome is conception, there's no option for you.
It's a thought that keeps this woman up at night, especially with the future of abortion rights in question.
Putting bans on people's health care doesn't stop abortions. It only stops safe abortions. And I knew in my heart that it was the right choice for me.
The Supreme Court is expected to issue its ruling on abortion protections before July 1st. But again, overturning Roe v. Wade and Casey would not mean an outright ban. It would leave the decision in the state's hands. And keep in mind, Indiana is among the states considered likely to institute a ban if the Supreme Court overturns abortion protections. We've got a breakdown of Indiana's legislative history with abortion rights. We've got it posted for you right now. It's on WTHR.com.